Did you listen to it at one point? You put it next to your ear.
You try to see like how it's squishy. I thought it was...
Ads and the truth alike.